Hi, are you suffering from this? This is called strawberry skin or chicken skin, but the real scientific name for this skin condition is called keratosis pilaris. Keratosis pilaris is a skin condition that causes small and bumpy skin around your hair follicles. This is commonly found around the upper arm, your thighs, your face, and even your butt. Your skin might feel itchy and dry. It is mainly found on those that have a really dry skin. So if you have really dry skin, there is a likelihood that you will develop keratosis pilaris. So today I'm going to talk about how to treat keratosis pilaris. I'm going to talk on the home remedies. I'm also going to talk on the clinical treatment and also tips on how to make living with keratosis pilaris easy. So I'm going to start with the home remedy. For treating keratosis pilaris at home, just get a gentle scrub. You can get the Dr. Teal's gentle scrub or the Eden apricot scrub or any gentle scrub of your choice. You use it with a scrub glove to gently exfoliate your skin. This will enable you to remove the dead skin cells from your skin. Or you can also do the sugar scrub at home where you use sugar, then you put a little drop of honey and also you put a little drop of lemon. You do it at home. You use it to scrub your skin. This will help to remove the dead skin cell from your skin, to also help to enhance the skin cell turnover. It is really important if you're suffering from this skin condition to scrub your skin at least twice in a week. Then after scrubbing your skin, you just rinse your skin, pat it dry. The first product you should use is apple cider vinegar. This apple cider vinegar will help you with your strawberry skin. It is really good for keratosis pilaris. Just rub the apple cider vinegar on your skin before you come in with your moisturizer. You need like a very thick moisturizer that will lock in that apple cider vinegar that you have used. Use a very thick moisturizer that is really good and that contains hyaluronic acid that will help to moisturize your skin and hydrate the skin also. Apply your moisturizer several times in a day. You can apply your moisturizer like every 3 hours because this skin condition is caused by dry and flaky skin. So if you have dry skin, it will trigger these keratosis pilaris to increase. So what you do is to always reapply your body lotion. It is very important. Then you should also learn to drink a lot of water. This will help to keep your skin hydrated and it will keep your skin from drying out. Drink a lot of water. If you have a keratosis pilaris, drink a lot of water. Keep yourself hydrated and cut down on soda. Too much sugar is not good. If you have this skin condition, cut down on consumption of sugary things. It is not good. Any food that is too sugary will aggravate this condition. So cut down on sugary food. Then let's move on to the clinical treatment. For clinical treatment, the products that you can apply directly to your skin to improve the symptoms of keratosis pilaris. The product that you're using to treat a keratosis pilaris that is clinically formulated, these products should come with either lactic acid. They should also contain glycolic acid, salicylic acid, and alpha hydroxy acid. These are very good acids that will help you to cure your keratosis pilaris. So whatever it is you're using, this acid should be there. They will help you. You can get the ordinary glycolic acid or you can get the lactic acid or salicylic acid and be rubbing it on the affected part. This will really help you to treat these keratosis pilaris. You can also get body lotions that contain this ingredient in large percentage. We have the E45 body lotion, contains this ingredient. We have a CeraVe, it contains this ingredient. We also have a Aveeno. I will drop all the lotions here that contains one or two of these acids that will help you to treat this keratosis pilaris or strawberry skin. So here are some of the tips that will help living with a keratosis pilaris easier. One, don't scratch at the bumps or rub your skin roughly. The first tip is not to scratch your bumps or rub at your skin roughly, because it will aggravate the flakiness and it will even cause wound to your skin. So do not scratch your body roughly if you're suffering from strawberry skin. Then the next thing you should not do is to use hot water. Never use hot water if you have a strawberry skin. Go for warm water. Hot water will further help to dry your skin, leading to more skin damage. So bathe with warm water instead of hot water. Then the next thing you should not do that will help you live with this condition easily is to limit your time with water. Do not put your body or your hands or that the affected part in water for too long. The highest minute you should put your hands in water is 10 minutes. Water washes away your body's natural oil. So when you put your body in water for too long, you're washing away your body's natural oil. And for this condition, you really need your body natural oil to enable you keep your skin moisturized. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that this helps you out to treat your keratosis pilaris. If you have any further question, please leave it at the comment section. I will be very glad to answer you. Thank you so much and have a fantastic time.